Yo, what's up, learning machines? Welcome to this video. If you know what Clickbank is, this is going to be a powerful video because I bet you never heard of this method. You can basically use adult traffic sources, the cheapest in the world, to promote Clickbank offers. Now, I've made millions of dollars with affiliate marketing and other different business ventures. I can tell you right now, Clickbank is not going anywhere. It is a very, very powerful way to make money online. It's one of the best out here. And if we look right here, you could click search. And I know you've seen a lot of videos that click search, right? Did they ever tell you that literally when you click search, these are all the top offers right here, okay? So let's say you want to promote any of these. You can promote any of these. All of these work. They're all super, super powerful and effective stuff. So this one right here, you just want to do this, okay? It needs to be very much so appealing to the masses. It needs to be an offer that everyone will enjoy to literally, buy, okay, and use and all that stuff. So a lot of these offers are in the health niche, and the health niche is a very, very good niche. But the thing is, it's hard to target that with adult traffic. So we got to think, what is a niche that will work with adult traffic exceptionally well? Okay, that's the key here. So if we look here, there's a lot of niches, but we need to really just select a specific niche. So you may want to do the make money online niche. You may want to do the niche that is a love niche. So everyone wants to make money, and with adult traffic, that's pretty much what everyone wants to do. So you could basically send this adult traffic to these offers right here. And I'll give you several different funnels at the end of this video that you can crush it with. You could literally direct link these offers right here. All these offers have pretty high payouts. This one right here can crush it with adult traffic. I'm just going to tell you that right now. This one right here, because it pays $300 on average per person. You can spend a lot to acquire these customers. This one right here is only $16. You can't really spend a lot. It depends on the conversion rate though. This one right here is a top offer right here. This one can work with adult traffic. It is a top proven offer to work for adult traffic. It's very freaking awesome. This one right here, I've actually made like $1,000 or something on Clickbank promoting this a little bit. Not with adult traffic though, just with natural personal brand traffic here and there. This is a good offer. I believe it will convert really, really well with adult traffic, okay? Now, if we go down here, there's a bunch of different categories, self-help, but pickup artist digital products work really well. So if you can find one of those on Clickbank, you'll crush it with that. If you can find anything digital product related on Clickbank relevant to dating relationships, that's pretty congruent with adult traffic, so you can crush it with that, okay? Now let's go into this. So now that you know how to find offers, it needs to just be very broad appeal, okay, to the masses, because you can't target based off of their interests. You can only target based off of country, device type, and things like this, and the language they speak. You can do straight or any other person's orientation or whatever. You can do that. And those are the only targetings you can really do. And so if it's very broad appeal, you're going to crush it. So this is Clickbank. There you go. You could do multiple other countries too. I mean, boom, boom, boom. You can literally see if they have upsells. But at the end of the day, if an offer has a good payout, like high enough, and it is converting, you know that you should promote it. Okay, so this is how you can do it with Clickbank. Now, these are the adult traffic sources, okay? Session timeout. Okay, so this is Traffic Junkie. Traffic Junkie has ad space on Pornhub, one of the biggest sites out here. And you can literally just buy ad space on that site and make a banner ad, or just use a banner ad that's already for one of these offers here, and you could crush it, man. You can use Traffic Junkie. You sign up. It's free to sign up on any of these, and then you just load in the funds, and then you set up your campaign. You're ready to go. It's super straightforward, super easy. I have tutorials on my channel about all this. This right here is called ExoClick. This is another platform you could do, and they're definitely the second recommended one I use. I use both Traffic Junkie and ExoClick. Okay, I haven't used as much Traffic Factory, but you can advertise on X videos with Traffic Factory here. It's a very big network. I mean, they have so much freaking volume, but not as much as ExoClick, that's for sure. ExoClick has tons. Arrow Advertising has tons of freaking traffic as well. I haven't used them as much, and Arrow Advertising is one of the best, all right? And just because they have so much volume. If you look at the adult spy tools, you'll see so many people are using Arrow Advertising to run big campaigns. PlugRush is a pop under network. I really, really like them, but for specific strategies, I do with pop under, and I share that inside the golden ticket method and stuff like this. But anyway, for specifically promoting Clickbank offers, I don't think that pop under traffic is going to be your biggest success with promoting Clickbank offers, but what it can do is get you definitely a lot of clicks. It's basically $2 per 1,000 people who land on your page, which is a big deal. Juicy ads is the same thing. It's freaking awesome. Juicy Ads has a lot of inventory as well, all adult. They also have banner placements as well. This right here is called Grand Slam Media. I've never used their network for traffic, but I can tell you right now, they are very recommended as a network for traffic for adult. But I only focus on a few traffic sources. I mean, I make a lot of money. I make over $100,000 plus per month and growing just in the adult marketing realm. Okay, you can look at my other videos and everything. If you're new here, definitely subscribe because it's free. And let's keep going. Okay, so Zero Park right here. Zero Park is a pop under network, plus they have domain redirect traffic and all this stuff. They have push traffic too. And I definitely would recommend them, but the only problem is it's pop under, and if you do pop under with Clickbank, it won't be as effective, most likely, unless you do banner traffic. Banner traffic is going to be sites like Traffic Junkie, ExoClick, and Traffic Factory, and Arrow Advertising. Let's go. Okay, so now let me share with you guys this right here. These are all the different funnels you can do. Let me explain each one right now, and these can make you serious money. So it's worth your time right now. Let's go. This right here is adult traffic you're sending to direct link to an offer. So let's say you pick one of these offers here. So let's say you pick this one and it pays you $54. So you buy direct linking traffic on with banner ads on Traffic Junkie, let's say. And you're just direct linking, and every single purchase you get, boom, you make money. But you just need to be in the profitability zone where basically you put money in and you make more money back out. That's the whole goal here. It's super simple. I can't think of any easier way to make money online, literally, and in marketing in general, because it's so cheap for this traffic. And if you have a good offer, you can always make money, guys. It's all about finding the right offer. I explain this for free in different videos. I explain in depth inside courses. I have a new course coming out the next few days here on the 1st. It's the new adult marketing course. Okay, like it's a big deal. I'm totally revitalized. This right here is the adult traffic source for this funnel. And how this funnel works is you're sending the traffic to the opt-in page. And this opt-in page collects emails where you can follow up forever. All right. The only time I wouldn't recommend in the adult marketing realm to collect emails is if you're promoting anything nudity or adult related or too edgy, because the deliverability rates are going to be pretty low. Okay. And you want it to be really high. So if you promote an offer inside of the wealth niche here, you can absolutely get high delivery rates. So you could promote this one right here and all the other offers doing an email list, and you can absolutely crush it. I recommend use ClickFunnels to build your funnels, and use Aweber or anything else you want to do. You could use ClickFunnels for $300 a month and then get SendGrid, which is an SMTP server. You just connect to ClickFunnels, and that's also another one I recommend. Okay, I recommend Aweber, and the other one, you could use any other autoresponder. Doesn't matter at that point, because all that matters is you just have a way to reach your leads. So you're getting traffic for super cheap, getting leads for super cheap. You just have to give a lot of stuff for free in exchange for the emails and come across very trustworthy. And that happens throughout all these funnels. You need to have trust built and trust signals and things like this, things that trigger that, social proof and authority and likability and all these things. After the opt-in, you're going to send them to a thank you page. And on the thank you page, you basically tell them, hey, you can get your free stuff here. We sent you an email with your free stuff too. And then you basically link to a bunch of offers here as well. So you can link to tons of different offers, and you can also link to different landing pages you want to do too. That bridge page, they basically bridge the gap between where their mindset is and then to desire the offer. So you would make bridge pages with you talking, if you want, in video, just recommending an offer and your story around the offer and why you like the offer. Or you could literally just do written word, okay, just writing your recommendation or your testimonial, just writing it. It's not as effective as video, and you could find other videos on YouTube to embed that are recommending an offer and just use those and then link to the offer. It's really powerful stuff. This right here is adult traffic source number 3, and this is the funnel number 3. So you send the traffic to an opt-in page. You don't have to send them to an opt-in page first if you don't want it. You could just send them to a sales page. But this will allow you to collect leads, promote a bunch of offers right here in the emails, and follow up with them about this offer. So this is when you create your own offers, okay? So you build a ClickFunnel, you're connected with Stripe, collecting payments, and then what you can do is you can basically follow up with people over here and send them back over here to buy the product. Some will buy the product right then. It's around 5% that will buy, or at least are in the mode to buy right then and there. You need to have such a no-brainer offer here. It's crazy. You need to have an order bump in place, and well, that would be over on the order page. And this sales page just makes it desirable and pitches the product and makes it desirable and packages it in a desirable way. This right here is some upsells that allow you to have a higher average order value of everyone who buys, so you make even more money. And then in the back end, what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to promote more affiliate offers and more Clickbank offers right here. None of this is a Clickbank offer. This is you selling your own thing. So let's say you're promoting these wealth offers over here. Let's say you're promoting this one. You could go and make your own product, or you could go and get a PLR product, a private label right product. You can basically resell it, or you could make your own product, and you can sell that on the front end, collect your payment on the front end for cash flow reasons. If you break even here or profit here, which you will, then you can basically, for all free money in the back end, promote all these affiliate offers. You could promote more of your own sales funnels in the future to your list and everything like this. You're going to have buyer leads right here who buy, and you're going to have a bunch of leads right here of people who haven't bought yet, but they're interested. And you can promote tons of offers to them. And that's how business should be ran. Hope you guys love this video. Peace out.